The M198 is a medium-sized, towed 155mm artillery piece developed for service with the United States Army and Marine Corps. It was commissioned to be a replacement for the World War II-era M114 155mm howitzer. It was designed and prototyped at the Rock Island Arsenal in 1969 with firing tests beginning in 1970 and went into full production there in 1978. It entered service in 1979 and, since then 1,600 units have been produced and put into operation. The M198 was replaced in US and Australian service by the M777 howitzer. The M198 155mm howitzer weighs less than 16,000 pounds, allowing it to be dropped by parachute or transported by a CH-53E Super Stallion or CH-47 Chinook. The M198 is a towed howitzer that is transported tail first. The gun tube can be rotated over the howitzer's trail legs to reduce its length, though this requires removal of the muzzle brake or left in the firing position for faster deployment. When firing, the weapon is lowered onto its baseplate rather than being anchored to the ground, allowing for rapid emplacement. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.